If I tell you that there is a time machine built into each person, would you believe me? There I was at my 6th birthday with my grandpa. 1 week before, he called me on the phone with the craziest surprise a kid could ever dream of. I clearly recall one sound. I was over the moon, 50cc over it to be precise. I still get the goosebumps when I think about it. That sound is engraved in my mind. So the two-strokes engine sound is the ignition key of the earliest motorcyclist memory I had. And I'm 6 again. Yeah, just some more gray hair, of course.
È un pazzo.
Tu la moto vado per voi guardate.